You say true man a veteran. People. May I give you an exclusive look inside of the Miami International Airport. This is the military hospitality lounge that I'm in right here. Unfortunately, it's far in the back, so it takes a while for me to get back here. And this is exclusive, yeah, exclusive lounge for military veterans in the United States. And you say, "True man a veteran." Yeah, man, I sure you say, man have access to certain places. You guarantee. Yeah, right here, deep into the Miami airport. Yeah, it's a military hospitality lounge for United States veteran. One thing we can tell you is them take care of the vets them. I ain't say it there. This is the lounge right here. Yeah. See it? Me not a place. Y'all got tea. Yeah. See it there? Not a back right there.
When I send out that calendar within the hour.
You understand? It's the lounge right there. Y'all hang out. Get us some coffee and some tea. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? You have any hot coffee or anything for the veterans? Yeah, I'm just videoing myself. You have any hot coffee?
I'm sorry?
You have any hot coffee?
You have an ID and a boarding pass?
Yes, definitely.
May I see it?
Yeah. Okay, here's my boarding pass. I'm gonna grab my ID. I'm just vlogging because last time I came around here, I didn't realize that there was a military lounge for veterans. And since I'm a veteran, I just want the people to see how the Miami airport take care of veterans. Is it you, man, a veteran? Is it you, man, a veteran?
Yeah, I wanted to go to college, and I'm not going to. You're really not? Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I mean,
Go ahead and sign in for one.
Yeah. See it? So I gotta sign in so that they see that I'm using the services available and I'm appreciative. So bless up on yourself. See, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Rastafari Soldier. I'm here at the International Airport, Miami, at the Military Hospitality Lounge. Bless up yourself. Yes.